Okay, my name's Kevin Marquette, and I had an idea of how, I don't know, I just had this thought I wanted to experiment with, and I figured I may as well do it kind of live on video here. So, first off, let's get down to my desktop, and I think this command should do it. As long as I can see my screen. Yes, okay. So, I started to set up a GitHub repo, or a repo for this idea. ConvertTo-Breakpoint. I had this idea of, what if I can take an error record and use it to set breakpoints? So, I've got a repo now, git status, here, get remotes, get remote, verbose. Alright. So if I actually go out here and take a look real quick, start. And I have the repo. I tossed the files up here. I realized I made a mistake. So I'm going to wipe this out real quick. And let's get started with, let's see. What do I want to grab? I want to grab a license file. Let's do that. Let's recreate this repo. Not recreate it, but let's create my initial commit with a license file. I'm going to override what I have out there. So I'm going to copy item from my PS graph license to right here. Alright, get status. I now have a license file. When I track my untracked files here, I can now see license. So what I do is git add license. Get status should show V is now tracked, ready to be committed. Git commit message initial commit, and then git push force. Git push. I'm just gonna git push. Let's see what we get. Alright, I expected this because I already have a bad commit out there, right? And how do I force push? There's gotta be a way. Is that it? Yeah, there we go. Git status, show git graph. Alright, I like that, we're good now. So what I can do based off that is I can have a starting point now, like a true starting point where I can start building my module and work from that. So let's do get process code. Let's kill code, so I actually start it right here. Code dot in this folder. Perfect. And what's wrong with my profile? Code profile. I thought I just set this up a second ago. What? Something's wrong. What is... Alright, let me just delete that. I could have sworn I had a different profile in here. Let's do this. I want these to share a profile. So I'm going to actually do a dot source off this. And that means I can close that. If I delete him, yes. Oh, that's just beautiful. I can't do that in VS Code. You know what? I'm going to come back to that. I was trying to do something clever here, but obviously it's not working. So we'll clear that. I'll just stay on topic. So what I want to do is I have an empty project. Let's prototype a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, let's save this guy. No, not there. Let's create a new file where I want it to be. Got a license, create a new file. Let's call this guy PS1. There we go. So function new error throw. This is an error function get error new error get error. Alright. So if I run this now, I should get function. This is an error. Okay. And what I'm going for is on this guy here, select star, it's this script stack trace that I'm interested in. So if I do script stack trace, I get these beautiful breakpoints. I need more. So this is what I'm interested in, is this code here at the bottom, right? Because if I want to set a breakpoint, I have the file name right here, and I also have the line number. And I think I can combine that with a function like set ps breakpoint on line 2 of script. I think I can just copy this line like that, and I should get PS breakpoint. Do I need an action on that? I should have got a breakpoint up here, actually. That's what I expected. Wait, how's that supposed to work? Why didn't that create a breakpoint for me? Is the breakpoint there just not showing it? No. If I do a... How do I set a breakpoint? Add a breakpoint. If I do a get PS breakpoint... Oh, does it not work that way? It's gotta work that way. Now, I could have swore that I should be able to do that. Let's do a quick Google. VS Code. Sorry, I'm reading for this because there's got to be. Huh. Let's go with VS Code or run this in the IC. So if we take the same sample of code, the IC, I'll say this as debug.ps1. Sure. And we run this guy. We get an error. If we run our command, I copied the whole thing. Alright, maybe I still don't know how this command works. Get help, set PS breakpoint, examples. Alright, let's do shift page up. Action, script line column, action. Doesn't seem like it's all that hard. Action. Do I create an action? Is that all I'm missing? That seems kind of absurd that I gotta set an action for that. That seems perfectly reasonable. Alright, I guess I need to do a little research on this. I felt like I was onto something here, but do I just not know how to do set PS breakpoint? Like, oh wait, this guy is a different file. Let me get documents, debug. Okay, I thought I was crazy. The mistake was, in the IC I was hitting a different file. So this definitely works here. Like I can see that that line set that breakpoint. If I chose like line, did the same command, but for like line 6, alright, I'll see that pop up right away. VS Code. Why are you not setting a breakpoint for me? I guess I need to take this offline and research a little bit, because what I really wanted there's a breakpoint right here, as if I just done, like, say, this. I don't know why I'm not getting that. I can obviously set it by hand. If I set several of these, get PS breakpoint. Oh, they're in there. What? Let's run this. If I do F5 right now, breakpoint, 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 go. Alright, so I get PS breakpoint, remove PS breakpoint, and I run this. They're still in there. Get PS breakpoint, remove PS. I don't understand it. But they're obviously gone. If I come up here and run this, they're still in there. Breakpoint, breakpoint, go. Get PS breakpoint. They're all there. So there's something weird going on here. I guess I need to look at it a little bit closer. I'm gonna hop offline while I do this research, because it's just gonna be me just doing a bunch of mumbling, and nobody wants that. So we're gonna cut this video short. I was hoping to actually have something kind of working here, but it is what it is. Yep, I guess then until next time.